In today's world, $10 million is no small feat. You've worked hard for it, and now it's time to protect and grow it. But how do you rebalance your portfolio without disrupting your entire strategy? What if making one wrong move jeopardizes your financial future? First, let's talk about what's happening in the market right now. Inflation is high, the cost of living is rising, global instability is a constant threat, and then there's the looming uncertainty in our economy. You don't need me to tell you how fragile things can feel. But here's the thing. When you have $10 million or more, the stakes are even higher. You can't afford to make hasty decisions, but you also can't afford to just sit back and wait for the next economic downturn to catch you off guard. Rebalancing is key. You see, a diversified portfolio is often touted as the secret sauce to financial success. But what does that really mean in practice, especially when you're dealing with such a large sum of money? The common approach, stocks, bonds, maybe some real estate, has worked for years, but now we're seeing cracks in the system. You're probably wondering, how can you protect your wealth from economic turmoil? The answer might be simpler than you think. Gold. Yes, gold. A gold IRA is one of the most powerful tools available for preserving wealth in uncertain times. Unlike stocks or bonds that can crash when markets dip, gold has historically been a safe haven during times of crisis. And, when paired with your existing strategy, it allows you to rebalance your assets without the risk of disrupting your long-term plans. Here's why this matters. Right now, President Trump and many economists are warning about the risks of inflation, market instability, and government debt. The value of the dollar is weakening, and that means your cash holdings are losing purchasing power every single day. If you don't act now, your hard-earned money could be eroded by forces outside of your control. But there's good news. With a gold IRA, you're not just sitting back and hoping for the best, you're actively hedging against these threats. It's an asset that moves in the opposite direction of traditional markets. When stocks fall, gold tends to rise. This makes it the perfect addition to a balanced, diversified portfolio. Imagine your wealth being protected from the erosion of inflation. Imagine rebalancing without the stress of market fluctuations. A gold IRA allows you to do just that. It gives you the peace of mind knowing that part of your wealth is in a stable, tangible asset that has stood the test of time. Here's the best part. You don't have to navigate this alone. If you have over $100K in your IRA or 401k, I want to offer you a free Gold IRA guide. This isn't some sales pitch. This is a real, no-obligation educational resource that'll show you how to use gold to protect your wealth. And when you claim your free guide, you'll also get a complimentary, no-pressure call where we'll dive into your specific situation and help you figure out if a Gold IRA is right for you. No gimmicks, no pressure. Just honest, one-on-one education to make sure you're making the right decisions for your future. Remember, your wealth is hard-earned. It's meant to be protected, not gambled with. Don't let inflation, market volatility, or economic uncertainty take away what you've worked so hard to build. Click the link in the description for your free guide and to schedule your free, no-obligation call. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your wealth today and make sure your family's future is secured. Your hard work deserves to be safeguarded, and I'm here to help you do that every step of the way.